What's up everyone? I am so excited for this vlog. I just got off work. It's gonna be a nighttime vlog, kind of just me in my studio, and I have a couple things to update you, a couple new toys I just picked up, and let's get into this video. I'm really excited for this one. Without further ado, let's address the elephant in the room. I have not posted to my channel in about over a month, and I've been working on a video for about a month that has had a lot of pre-production for me, a lot of script writing, and just a lot of planning, and I've really been putting a lot of energy and effort into that as my goal to kind of move away from creating content with quantity and starting to really focus on the quality of it. But with that, I have some exciting things to share, but first let's get to a little bit of an unboxing. I picked up something from Amazon. If you watched one of my last videos, I'll have it linked above. I talk about a Polar Pro filter, and I picked one up. I picked up the 82mm Black Pro Mist 1/8. This filter will basically take this shot and soften up my face and make it more of a filmic look. Here it is, so let's get this open and I'm gonna get it on this camera and see what it looks like. So here it is with the filter on. Not sure if you can see it before and after. I definitely notice it, but it's one of those things that you'll notice when I start to shoot a lot more outside and those things, but 1/8 is a very light filter to it, so it doesn't distort my image too much or make too much of a filmic, dreamy look. So that's what it looks like, filter on screen. But now I want to talk about the next thing, and I'm moving. This is the last video I'll be filming in this studio. And what this studio did was it grew my channel. This is where my channel started. This is where it all kind of went down for all my videos. But I'm in the middle of moving, packing up. My apartment's a complete mess, just everything. But one exciting thing is when I move, I'm gonna have my own studio. I'm gonna have my own bedroom, which I'm gonna create into a studio and really make it my content center where I'm gonna shoot all of my content. So that's something that's really exciting. If you're interested in how I design that studio and kind of wanna go along with me in the journey of creating that, leave a comment down below, and it's something I plan on doing, but to get kind of the feedback of what you guys, my audience, wants, it'd make it a lot better to kind of create for you guys. And I already create for you guys, but really create something that you guys want to see. So without further ado, you probably see this box behind me. Let's talk about this thing. So this thing right here, let's open it up and we'll talk about it. DJI Mini 3 Pro. So about a drone. I started flying a drone back in college. I had the DJI Phantom 3, I love that thing. From there, they started coming out with the Mavic line, and I got my first Mavic, the first original Mavic, till about a week ago. And technology changed, technology got better, and for me, I thought it was time to upgrade, and that's what I did, DJI Mini 3 Pro. The reason for this upgrade was I have this video that I'm working on that I talked about a little bit earlier that has a lot of elements in it that I want to use a drone for, and I ultimately just miss using a drone, and something with the portability of this and the easeability and the fact that it is literally the size of my hand, which you'll see in a second, makes it a lot easier. I, 2 years ago, studied for my Part 107 drone license, and I passed the test, so I can fly a drone basically legally and get paid for it. So that's something that I really want to take advantage of. But this thing comes at 249 grams, and at 249 grams, you don't have to register it with the FAA. So it's something that really anyone can fly. So as we get into this drone, I opted in for, there's three options. You can get either the drone, you can get the drone with the regular controller, or you can get the drone with the RC controller as you see here. We'll get into it and we can see how small this drone actually is. This thing is absolutely tiny, as you can see. And I opted in for the controller with the screen because having a drone earlier, I absolutely hated having to pull out my iPhone every time I wanted to fly. So I got the controller built in, and this combo is so small, and the amount I'm gonna have fun flying with this thing is a lot. But first I want to get this thing registered and kind of get the batteries going and just play around with the settings a little bit before I get it up in the air. But I will have a full review on this drone a little bit down the road. But that's the drone. Big purchase for me. I'm really excited for this. I'm excited to take kind of the aerial photography to an updated level kind of with the content in this channel, and ultimately with my channel, my reels, all that stuff, and really have fun shooting content from the air, because it's a cool perspective, and I live in a cool city to do it in Seattle. So it's a few days later now, and I was really thinking on what this studio behind me has become. It is where this channel started. The love for this type of content really started, and it was the start for me, and so much has gone on right here on this desk right there. And the fact that I'm moving, it's bittersweet, but I'm thinking it more as the next chapter in my content creation career. I'm thinking of it as a place that I can call home to this channel and my content, and somewhere I can just close the door and create for hours. And that's what I'm most looking forward to. But I don't want to discredit what this apartment has become for me, what this apartment started out as, and how I literally grew a channel from nothing to what it is today in this studio slash kind of one bedroom apartment. And I did it strictly from a desk and a laptop. All of this gear has grown, all of the stories have grown, the content, and you guys have been with me the entire time through this, and I'm truly grateful for that. So as I say goodbye to this studio behind me and this apartment as a whole, and I move into this next chapter of my life and this next chapter of this channel, I'm really excited for what I have planned for it, what I have planned for my channel, what I have planned for my content, and what I ultimately have planned for my new home YouTube studio. And I'm excited to take you guys along that journey with me. So from the bottom of my heart, thanks for all the support that you guys gave me in this place, and I hope you guys stay. If you're new here, come along on the journey. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an upload on any of my videos, any of my content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.